It's electric. We're at the collision point of OT and IT. The atmosphere is fantastic. The conversations that are happening are extraordinary. Everyone's exploring how does this collision of technology change their business and what can they learn from the stories that are being told on the Microsoft booth.
Our passion is solving supply chain problems. Our solution is really helping companies answer three critical management questions. What is happening and why? What is going to happen? And then what actions can I take to make a change?
When we talk about monetizing connected products, what happens when we build connected equipment that we sell, that connected equipment can help us deliver new services to our customers that buy it from us. Connected products create a lot of data.
So once we are able to bring all of that together and analyze the patterns, which is where the artificial intelligence comes into place, it provides you with a better insights into your situation, into your data. Those better insights leads to better decisions.
Predictive maintenance and uptime contracts is perhaps the core of monetizing products. That's a tremendous change. It's driving new business models. It's driving new revenue streams. It's just changing the way the world operates. It's a really, really exciting time to be involved in manufacturing. To walk around, to talk to people, understand what they're doing, understand what they're thinking of doing next, because that drives the inspiration even further forward.